what's going on?
So this is what we're working on.
What exactly is happening today in the space?
So, like always, there are like several projects going on, or multiple steps, and I think that's what people sometimes don't know or don't realize. So what we have over here, and I showed you the template of the footprint of our large-scale totem pole, that in many ways was the impetus to move into the space because of that height. So we had one of our preparators, art handlers, Mariana, working on that and doing a cleaning of it. Which is a meticulous process, and so that is one of the steps in preparation for that. And hopefully soon I'll call you again so we can see how that piece gets from downstairs to this place.
So what are they doing, Osanna?
It's Totem Pole Day! Yay! Last time I did this, we did this by hand. Not fun. This is much better. Just to make sure, and I think I had let you know, but we saw inside, like somewhere around here, there's a wire. So,
I love totem poles. I'm really excited to see it.
so because do you want to like
Connect to the wall, just at the top.
Let's put it back.
Yeah. It's not flush because it's wider in the bottom and it tapers, so it probably doesn't.
It wouldn't happen.
Right.
Más o menos al 20. Okay.
Yeah.
That's not so bad.
So this is going to take a little while. It's not like it's going to go up right away.
So this room is shaping out even better than I had imagined, and my expectations were already high.
Okay, hold on. With one hand.
Maybe center.
Wait, give me a second.
Yeah.
Let's keep it flat. 1, 2, 3. Easy.
And I think it looks wonderful. And I really like how you've given it the space. Yep, it's wonderful. I am so thrilled at how the artwork looks together and the ability to use this space with the totem pole. It's higher than I imagined. The works look phenomenal. I'm thrilled.